So I heard the footsteps of my friend upstairs. I also heard myself typing because I was writing a little message in the bottle to Jessica.
I heard the sound of a cough in the hallway and the sound of a door closing and footsteps. Then I heard just silence. Sometimes when it's really quiet, I feel it's like the sound of the plants are breathing or something.
I also heard some people outside going for a walk.
And I could also hear my heartbeat in my ears.
And this one said, is me breathing? And this, since Dario, he's a worker, he's here fixing something. He's doing a lot of hammering and a bit of drilling.
I hear the lawnmower. I heard my Bluetooth connect beep, like badoo, badoo. I heard the door open. We have a patio door. I could hear that slide. And then I heard the dogs explode out of the house.
And then I could hear outside maybe a cricket. And then there was a crack in the wood in the house, just a crack.
I'm really going to try to find kind of like poetry or the translation of how a mark can sort of stand for something. Or how I can find a mark that sort of feels like the sound that I'm listening to.
This one was me breathing. This one was my brother listening to Blaze and the Monster Machine.
This is the garden.
He's listening to it because he's getting a haircut.
And there was lots of noises. There's a sump pump actually emptying on the street going bloop, 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 bloop. There's grass cutting, but there's lots of birds, like the doves. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Trucks, cars, buses. When they weren't passing by, I could hear birds in the trees, in the tree outside my house.
Intermittent the sound of breathing of some
And I could hear my heart beating.
I feel like when I'm trying to
just
record
barely.
sound, I'm actually recording time. So the space that I kind of make in between is almost like, I guess, how I'm visualizing time passing.
of a neighbor's
So
walking in the
there's
middle
the space between the sounds.
across
So
from
it's almost like a
the
historical
sound of the bike.
documentation of that time.
An enveloping sound of cicada, the white noise of my room is the sound of the fan on the computer.
I was really surprised actually because I thought that it was pretty quiet in here.
Movement of cars and buses, somebody laughing. Somewhere a plane passes.
A construction site across the street,
My
nail
dad
guns,
that's like tapping on the computer.
hammering, and car traffic.
Can I see the picture again? Thank you. Because I'm almost reading it like music.
My dad tapping on the computer. I hear the fridge and the sea.
Yep.